Hello friends, welcome to Abhi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to swap two variables without using temporary variable. Okay, let's say I have two variables here, a equal to 3, okay, b equal to 5. Okay, so I want to swap these two variables without using temporary variable in Python. Okay, let's print before values. Okay, print before a equal to, okay, so we'll print A and we'll print B also before swapping. Okay. Then I will swap using a single command without using temporary variable a comma b equal to b comma a. So variables will be swapped. In place of a, b will come. In place of b, a will come. Okay. So now we'll print after a values, a and b values. Okay. After a. Okay, let's run the program and see. So before a equal to 3, b equal to 5, then after a equal to 5 and b equal to 3. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.